Welcome to Lake.com's host tutorial series, where we dive deep into how you can make the most of your account and attract more guests to your property. I'm David, the founder and CEO of Lake.com, and today we're going to be exploring the advanced host settings, security and payments and notifications. So there's no time to waste, so let's get started. Your host account is your command center, and it's where you personalize your profile, manage your listings, and optimize your guest interaction. But today we're going to be zooming into three critical aspects: personal details, security, and email notifications. First up, personal details. Keeping your profile updated is key. Here you can upload a photo and your contact information, making sure it's current. This not only helps guests feel more connected to you, but also ensures that Lake.com, we can provide you with tailored support and unique opportunities. You can also set up the language that you prefer and your preferred currency. We default to English and US dollars, but you can change these if you want to the next time you log in. Security is paramount in a digital world, and at Lake.com, we've got your back. Start by verifying your identity. This builds trust with guests and complies with local regulations. Next, secure your account with a strong, unique password. As a best practice, I recommend using a password manager to save your password. Password managers that are like 1Password or LastPass, those are two popular choices. You'll also want to enable Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. With 2FA, anytime you log in from a new device, you'll need both your password and the verification code that we send to your phone. This double layer of security makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. To set up Two-Factor Authentication, simply enter in your mobile phone number and we'll send you a 6-digit code as a text message. When you receive that unique code, enter the numbers into the on-screen prompt. This verifies that only you have access to your phone, and the next time that you log in, you'll be prompted with that code once again. Personally, I turn on Two-Factor Authentication for each website that offers it because it provides 2 layers of security. Now, let's talk about money. Setting up your payouts on Lake.com is fairly straightforward. Go to Payments and Payouts in your account and choose Set Up Payouts or Add Payout Method. If you're updating your info, you can do that too. Select your billing country, choose your payout method, and follow the prompts on screen to enter in your details. Most likely, you're going to be adding in your local bank account, so where you can receive money as a deposit. Remember, payouts happen after the guest's first night stay, and if that happens to fall on a weekend, the payout would happen on the Monday. For answers to questions about payouts, be sure to check out our help center for more info. Staying informed is crucial, and that's where we go next: email notifications. Customize your notification preferences to receive updates on your account activities, from managing guest messages to booking confirmations. This keeps you in the loop and helps you respond promptly to any needs or issues should they arise. Privacy, security, and staying informed are all pillars of a successful host on Lake.com. By taking a few moments to set up these features, you're not only protecting your account, but you're also setting yourself up for success and paving the way for a thriving vacation rental business. Thanks again for joining us. Explore the rest of the video tutorial series to unlock your full potential as a host on Lake.com.